Using Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector is a simple process that can greatly benefit your hair. It begins with applying the product to your hair, making sure to cover all strands evenly. The Olaplex No. 3 works by repairing and restoring the bonds in your hair. For best results, leave the product on for a certain period of time, allowing it to penetrate deeply. After applying, rinse your hair thoroughly and proceed with your usual shampoo and conditioning routine. The key to using Olaplex No. 3 effectively is to be consistent and patient, as the benefits accumulate over time. By incorporating Olaplex No. 3 into your hair care routine, you can strengthen and protect your hair, reducing breakage and frizz. This leads to healthier, more vibrant-looking hair that is full of life and shine. In summary, using Olaplex No. 3 is a straightforward step-by-step process that can greatly improve the health and appearance of your hair.